Welcome back. Now, the Sunday attack at Jammu Air Base has highlighted the need for modernizing our fight against terror. My colleague Zeenat is getting us this exclusive report on Jammu and Kashmir Police's initiative. Take a look.
This is the Black Panther, the latest high-end technology addition to the Jammu and Kashmir Police's anti-terror operations in the valley.
Jammu Kashmir Police has inducted this very vehicle. If I meet VJ, Mubashir will show you the visuals of this very vehicle. You can see one of the LEDs here. But it's not just simple LED, rather it can give bird view what is happening around. In fact, JKP has also inducted here the data bank through which you can scan and read the profile of terrorists, terror associates, and also can monitor the activities while you are dealing with anti-terror operations.
Bulletproof and fireproof, this vehicle is fully equipped with advanced security systems from CCTVs to PTZ cameras with a 360-degree view of surrounding areas.
Great operational experience earlier. The JKP has done marvelously well in the past. We've had certain lacuna where we tried to infuse more technology and more of our good hardware to basically bolster the efforts of our brave Jawans. And BP or BR vehicles, they were introduced earlier. Now this is the latest upgrade that we have got, where our traditional vehicles have been upgraded with a lot of tech and with a lot of new advancements, which will help us, especially in North Kashmir, with looking at the LC, at the infiltration grid, at the complete anti-terror network setup that we have, and the movements of the terrorists, the movements of the various overground workers they have, and the various anti-national elements that are roaming around. This will give us a very quick and fast look at all their movements and where they are roaming, and perhaps it will help us in a lot of operations that will come.
While Pakistan attempts to infiltrate our borders, the Black Panther has been equipped with anti-drone systems that can detect these drones and render them defunct.
Seeing that, especially near the LC, drone movements have become the latest challenge. What this vehicle already does is that it gives us the ability to increase our visual range. Earlier, which was very much, especially in the hilly areas, which is very much limited by the kind of a check that we can have on the movement of drones. One, we have to raise our awareness, and two, technologically we become, we get upgrades. Yes, we get more upgrades added on to the same vehicle, which will perhaps give us radars and other kinds of advancements which can help us bring down enemy drones or non-friendly drones, and unauthorized drone usage can be curbed.
The JKP is also planning a digital sky app concept on no-fly zones that would detect any infiltration attempts, and this allow any object from flying in these digitally blocked skies.
We have 2 to 3 already solutions. We have anti-drone drones. We have such drones. They can detect the movement of drone. They can just defunct them, and they can get it down. Otherwise, some radar is also there. They can also detect the drone activities of drone, and they can also nullify the movement and everything. So we are also pondering other options, like some app-based services like Digital Sky. Where government is also into the this bigger project is there. Like whole sky will be divided or categorized digitally. And some areas, some portions, vital installations shall not be allowed, digitally shall not be allowed to fly, to flown over by any object. So if you have a drone, you want to fly from a digitally blocked sky, you can't.
The state-of-the-art Black Panther vehicle is specially designed to aid the JKP's anti-terror operations, from spotting terrorists in hiding to digital sky concepts.
हम जहाँ भी ये नाके पे गाड़ी लगाते हैं, कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि ग्रेनेड अटैक हो जाता है। ग्रेनेड अटैक को ये कैप्चर करने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा कॉम्बैट व्हीकल फंक्शन करता है। जैसे हमने PTZ कैमरा लगाया हुआ है, तो ये हमने फोकस किया हुआ कि नाके पे कौन-कौन गाड़ी मूव कर रही है और कौन-कौन लोग वहाँ से निकल रहे हैं। तो अगर कोई आदमी ग्रेनेड फेंकता है, तो ये बाद में जब कैप्चर करता है तो उसको क्लियर करके, जो NVR हमारा लगा हुआ है, जो क्लियर करके हमें वो पिक्चर देता है, ताकि हम उस बंदे का एक क्लियर पिक्चर ले सके और उस गाड़ी का, जिस गाड़ी से वो मूव कर रहा था, उस गाड़ी की नंबर प्लेट पूरी कैप्चर कर सके और उसके एड्रेस तक पहुंच सके।
But the Jammu and Kashmir police remain adamant they will continue their anti-terror operations and counter all infiltration attempts.
Anti-terror operations, there is always the danger and always the threat of casualties. We have seen a lot of operations where our men have been hit, and many times the lack of equipment to cater to them immediately on spot. For example, having coagulation units, small little bags, something to stop the blood loss, and some medical people who can address them properly right at the spot, plus faster medical evacuation, which is called Medivac. If we can provide that from the operational side, that is something which will add to our fighting capability very much and bolster the morale of the Jawans on site. So the fighting spirit gets retained, and such facilities, I think they are the most critical advantage that we get out of the vehicle right now. And earlier it was dependent on a lot of travel time, cutting a lot of travel time. Right now we can do that on spot.
Warfare is more of a technological now. The more you have modern technology, the better the chances you have to win a war. And militancy fighting terrorism is a war, low intensity war. So we are already fighting this war, and now we are getting the advanced technologies with us. Definitely we are moving into a great, brighter future. And command vehicle is one of the demands of police forces. Basically, this is mobile command center. Wherever you do an operation, you have to make a makeshift command center, operation center, so that you can convey all the directions to higher ups. One side at the higher ups, second side you are connected to the cops on ground also.
With this command vehicle, our forces continue to brave all conditions to protect the nation's borders.
This kind of vehicle is first in Kashmir as far as the North Kashmir is concerned. All the Jammu Kashmir police is talking that they are going to get more such vehicles in coming time, because it's not only the challenges that are on ground, but now the drone challenge is coming, a bigger challenge for the forces on ground. With VJ Mubashir Hussain, I'm Zinat Zishan Fazil for Republic in Baramulla.